Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing something really exciting, and that is reviewing the brand new Ashley Graham x St.Tropez self tanner. It's a limited edition self tanner, and I was lucky enough to be sent this from St.Tropez, so thank you so much to them for thinking of me for this. It was actually the first self-tanning brand that I ever used back in the day when I first started tanning. I remember specifically St.Tropez was the first ever self-tanner that I used. So I'm really excited that I get a chance to review this for you guys and let you know what I think about it. And I love Ashley Graham, who doesn't? So that just makes it that much better. I'm just really excited about this. And before I get into it, obviously, full disclosure, I was sent this product, but my review on this and my thoughts on it are 110% mine. So yeah, before we get into actually reviewing, please make sure to give this a huge thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you love tanning or makeup, then you have to make sure you subscribe. But if you want to see me review this really exciting collab, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, so I have not opened this yet. I was waiting to do it on camera because I wanted it to be a surprise for all of us. So it came in this really cute box. I love this packaging, and it says in gold letters, Ashley Graham x St.Tropez. Woo! Okay, and then when you open up the box, it says on the top half, it's not just how it makes you look, it's how it makes you feel, which I absolutely love that quote. And then it comes with a card. So it says Ashley Graham x St.Tropez. And it's just a card with her explaining that it's a ultimate glow kit with a Luxe whipped cream mousse. Tell me that doesn't sound amazing. And it says it comes with a mitt as well. So she co-created these products. Really awesome. But the actual product itself comes in the bottom half of this. So once I take it out, it's like this cute little, like can, not like a can, but I don't know what you would call this, like a tin or something. And the front of it just says, obviously same thing, St.Tropez, Ashley Graham, Ultimate Glow Kit. So like I just said, it comes with a self-tan Luxe whipped cream mousse and limited edition mitt. So I am very excited. Whipped cream mousse just sounds really amazing, and it makes me want to eat it. So I won't do that, but it sounds good. And then on the back, it says, I love a natural looking sun-kissed glow and have been a fan of self-tanning for as long as I've been modeling. It's why I'm in love with this Luxe collection I created with St.Tropez. The perfect combination of tanning, skincare, and the fine fragrance for a healthy looking glow. And then it says, featuring an instant tint without the harmful effects of UV rays, this ultra lush yet lightweight whipped cream mousse is enriched with triple action moisturizers and antioxidants to glide over skin, hydrating, plumping, and protecting as it goes. Does that not sound amazing? Wow. Especially where it says plumping. I'm like, plump me up, let's go. And then it says, touch dry in seconds, which I love. For ease and speed of application, you can wear it all day or wash it off as you prefer and glow with confidence all week long. So I'm opening this up now, if I can get it open. I might need to call for backup, you guys. Oh, there we go. Okay, I guess I was supposed to twist it. Ooh, okay. Very nice. I feel like this is pretty similar to the other mitt from St.Tropez. It's just like a limited edition Ashley Graham version of it, because I know the actual mitt is like a bluish color. This is black and it has St.Tropez x Ashley Graham. I just really like how this looks, especially this side of it just looks really nice. So already love that, and it's so soft, you guys. This is probably one of the softest mitts I have laid my hands on. And this is just like a classic black and white packaging. And it basically says the exact same thing that little canister, that's what it's called, I think, canister. What that said, pretty much. And it says it's 6.7 fluid ounces, so that is definitely one of the bigger sizes for self-tanners that I've used. And the back of this, it says the same thing up top, and then it has steps. So step 1 says prep, exfoliate and moisturize dry areas. Already did that right before. And then step 2 is apply, shake well before use, glide on using the included applicator mitt to ensure there are no mist patches or streaks. Step 3 is rinse from as little as 1 hour. But the longer you leave on, the deeper the glow. You guys already know the drill. I'm sleeping in this. It's pretty late at night, so I'm sleeping in it. I'm leaving it on all night, and then tomorrow morning I'm gonna wash it off. And then once it has developed fully, tomorrow at some point I'll come back and I'll show you guys the final result, just like always. And then the final step says glow. Your long-lasting self-tan will continue to develop over 4 to 8 hours. So pretty much standard as far as the directions go. And I'm honestly just very, very excited to see how this is gonna look. I'm not expecting it to be crazy, crazy dark because it doesn't claim to be ultra dark. So I'm mentally preparing myself already for maybe for it to not be as dark as I'm typically used to, but we will see. So I'm taking this off, the cap off. And by the way, guys, I am going to link the actual website in the description box. So if you guys are interested in checking this out, it'll be in the description. But I am so excited to try this. I already applied facial self-tanner and I used the St.Tropez mist on my face already, so I'm not gonna be putting this on my face, but it is gonna go everywhere else. So I'm gonna start from my neck down as usual. So I'm just gonna shake this like it tells me to. And then I'm going to, oh my God, this actually is like whipped cream. Look at this. Okay guys, so I've tanned the parts of me that I wanted to get on camera, and I am so far pleasantly surprised with the color that came out just in the color barrier. So I pictured it being more light. Like, since this isn't really an ultra dark tan, I pictured the color barrier much lighter. So when I saw the color that came out, I was like, wow, this is actually a pretty good color. And it comes out really, really natural. So one thing about St.Tropez tans, their self-tanners are awesome, but with a lot of them, the undertone that comes out just initially is a little bit on the greener side, and I think that's because the self-tanners tend to be more kind of olivey. This one is like a true brown though, which I absolutely love because you guys know I love to have that kind of neutral goldish look going to me, and this is very, very natural looking. So props to Ashley Graham for co-creating the perfect color barrier. And I will say it's very quick dry. It doesn't feel sticky on me literally at all. It feels like there's like nothing on my skin, and I've probably had this on for about a minute or two, so pretty quick. You do have to work quickly with it though, that I will say, and a little bit goes a long, long way with this product. It kind of has like a continuous little applicator, so it doesn't stop after like a pump or anything like most applicators do. So you just have to be mindful about how much you're putting onto your mitt. Don't do too much because I felt like I was putting on more than I needed to. So now I know for next time not to waste product because, like I said, a little goes a long way. As usual, I'm going to sleep on this, and then tomorrow after I wake up, shower, do all that stuff, then I will come back and show you guys what the final result is. I'm very curious to see how dark this gets since I really like the color that it's giving me right now. So we will see tomorrow. I'll be back and I will give you guys my final thoughts and opinions on the new St.Tropez x Ashley Graham Self Tanner. Guys, I'm back. It is the next day. I have let the tan fully develop and I am feeling so good. I have to say, I was not expecting to like this much. So one thing I will say, is it an ultra dark self tan? No, but I would probably consider it a dark tan, and I was expecting it to come out much lighter than it did because it doesn't claim to be ultra dark, anything like that. But I was so pleasantly surprised from the moment I put it on my body to literally this moment right now. Even just looking at myself in the mirror right now, I'm still shocked because this is giving me the perfect, like just walked off of the beach kind of tan. I wouldn't consider this necessarily an olivey tan. I feel like this is more like a neutral kind of shade, which is my favorite because I'm normally a neutral skin tone. So I feel like this is perfect in every way, shape, and form for me. And another thing that I noticed, I have some makeup on my face right now, so I don't know how well you can tell, but the facial self tanner, which I already did a video on, if you guys haven't watched it, make sure to go check it out. The facial self tanner matched pretty much perfectly to the color that my body turned out to be, and I was really, really happy about that because that's not the case all the time. So it was really nice to have like everything just one even tone. I also love the fact that this literally gave me no streaks whatsoever. I was hardcore looking at my body up and down trying to examine, and there are no streaks anywhere. So that is amazing. The smell also, I have to vouch for it because there was barely any smell. The initial smell of it was this kind of like, I don't know if you would call it a fruity smell. It wasn't a strong smell, but then going into the rest of the night and then into the morning, I didn't notice anything at all, so that was really, really nice. And I'm just beyond obsessed with the color that came out. Like, tell me this does not look so freaking good, you guys. This is the kind of tan that I could wear year round, even if this is not an ultra dark like I usually love. I feel like this is just the perfect amount of color where it still looks very natural. Like, I'm not giving off any I have self tanner on vibes, and my hands look pretty natural too. It is a little bit dark right here, but again, it's winter and it's kind of cold, so my hands have been dry, and even though I put moisturizer on, I still think my dry hands got the best of it. I feel like this in the summer is gonna look super, super natural and beautiful. I just can't stop looking in the mirror, you guys. Like, I really, really love this. And again, I am not just saying that because I was sent the product. I genuinely actually love this. And I knew it was a good one when my mom was helping me apply to my back, and she was like shocked at how much she liked it. So I just know that this color came out so perfect. And I think that's it. I think I covered everything. Overall, an A from me, 100%. I keep saying this, but I'm going to have to do an updated favorite self tanners, like rating them from best to worst, because there have been a few lately that I've been obsessing over. This included, just off of a first day kind of impression, but overall I'm obsessed. So definitely a yes for me, definitely a recommendation from me. And again, I love Ashley Graham, so of course I was extremely excited when I saw that she was the new face of St.Tropez in this campaign. It's just so exciting. But that's all I have. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this tan. I'm trying my best to get this in the best lighting so you guys can see what it actually looks like, but you can definitely tell a difference from yesterday. So comment, let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you liked about it. Make sure to give this a huge thumbs up for me, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's just keep growing the family. It means the world to me. So subscribe, stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video.